Children, the Frog Prince in continuation. We have already done the lesson, half of the lesson, that the princess got her ball from the frog. Frog helped her out. Frog went to the well. He got her golden ball, and she got her ball. But he kept a promise that I wanted to be friend with you, and she thought that a frog cannot be my friend. But she said, okay, yes, we can be friends. But she knew that the frog could never come to her and could never be a good friend of her. So she just agreed to that, and she got her ball and she went away to her castle. She did not look back where the frog was. And the next day, the princess was sitting at the dining table with her king and was eating from a golden plate. She was eating her dinner or lunch in a golden plate, and something came inside the palace, on the marble staircases while creeping. Now, who creeps? Creep means, you know the nursery rhyme, creep them, crawl them, creep them. Creep means creep karna, reengna, reengte. The frog came to the castle and he climbed the marble staircases. And when he came up to the top, he knocked at the door, and the princess opened the door, and when she saw the frog, she cried. And she did not like that the frog came to the palace, and she ran to see who was outside and saw the frog. She quickly slammed the door. When she saw the frog, when she opened the door, she didn't like him, and she just slammed the door. What did she do? उसने जोर से दरवाजे को पटक के मारा और दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. And she ran to see who was outside and saw she slammed the door, and she looked very frightened. She was very afraid. Afraid of whom? Afraid of that ugly, disgusting frog. The king noticed the change in her and asked. The king, father, he noticed the change and he says, why? Why are you so frightened? Is there some giant outside who wants to carry you away? कोई बाहर कोई राक्षस है जो आपको लेके जाना चाहता है, जो तुम इतना डर गई हो? It's no giant but a disgusting frog, replied she. She says there is no giant, but there is a disgusting. Disgusting means very unpleasant, very ganda. बहुत गंदा देखने में एक frog is outside the palace. But why does the frog? What does he want from you? The princess told the king what had happened the previous day. She said, I never thought he would be able to come out of the water, and now he is outside and wants to come in. The princess told her father that I never thought that he would come to the palace, but he has come inside the palace and he wants to be with me, and I am frightened now. I am very much afraid of it. The frog knocked again. The king said to the princess, the frog knocked and the king said, you must keep your promise. When he helped you in finding your ball, then he had given you a promise, so you must keep your promise. You should never cheat somebody. You should never cheat your friend like this. So you must keep your promise and let him come inside. So he came inside and he ate from a golden plate, but the princess did not like it. He sat with her and he started eating from the same golden plate in which the princess was eating, and she never liked it. And he enjoyed the food, and he says, now I am tired. I want to go to sleep on your soft silken bed. The king grew angry, said, the princess began to cry. How could she let the frog sleep in her pretty clean little bed? The princess says, why? I'll not let you sleep on my bed. This is not good. I don't want you to sleep in my bed. The king grew angry. The king says, why? When you had kept a promise, he must go to your bed and he must sleep. You must help him out. So you must do whatever he wants to. So the princess took hold of the frog with 2 fingers, carried him upstairs and threw him in the corner. But when he fell down, the frog suddenly turned into a handsome prince with kind and beautiful eyes. The prince told her how he had been turned into a frog by a wicked witch. Now what did the princess do? She just caught. Caught means pakda. Catch means pakadna. Caught means pakda. She just caught the frog with her 2 little fingers and put him on the bed. The moment she put him on the bed, he turned into a very handsome, good-looking prince. how come that frog changed into a handsome prince? Because he was cursed by somebody. उसको श्राप मिला था, किसी ने उसको श्राप, किसी bad wicked witch ने, किसी जादूगरनी ने उसको श्राप दिया था, कर्स किया था. CURSE, कर्स मीन्स श्राप दिया था. He was cursed by some wicked witch and was turned into a frog. And it was also told by that wicked witch that some princes will turn him into a handsome prince. So only the princess could have saved him from the spell. So the princess was delighted on listening into the prince, and the next day both of them got married and went away to the prince's kingdom to live happily ever after. So this is the story of a frog which was actually a prince, and he was cursed by a wicked witch and he turned into an ugly frog, and that princess only could finish that spell, or could complete that spell, and converted him into a handsome prince. So this is the story. I have just narrated you the story, and I would like you to narrate the story to me tomorrow, maybe the next time whenever we have class, in a small 10-15 sentences, and please speak loudly and make videos. If you are able to narrate the story, there is no problem in doing the question answers and doing the grammar part of this lesson. I hope you have understood the story, and now I'll be giving you some difficult words for dictation. I will just write the words and I will tell you how to learn the spellings of this difficult words in phonetics sound. Okay? Now children, you have to do the dictation. Now I will speak a word 3 times or maybe 4 times, and you have to write the word with the spelling. Now the first word is quiet. Now what is quiet? It is quite hot. काफी गर्म है. Quiet. Now what is the spelling of quiet? How will you write? Quiet. Quiet. Then there is another word with the same sound but with different meaning, and that is quiet. Children, keep quiet. So there are 2 quiet. One is quiet and the other one is also quiet, but with a different meaning. It is quite hot, and children, be quiet. So there are different meaning words. Okay? So first is quiet, the second one is also quiet. The third word is straight. Straight. Just form a straight line. एक सीधी line form करिए. Form a straight line. Stand in a straight line. Now what is the spelling of straight? You know, stir, rate. Now what is the spelling of rate? You should know. Straight. Now number 4, vanished. Now what do you mean by vanished? गायब हो जाना. The girl vanished from the garden. In few seconds, my friend vanished from my house. So vanish means गायब हो जाना. Vanished. V and a van ished. Vanished. Now the 5th word is favorite. Favorite. My favorite color is green. Now what is the spelling of favor? Favor. F-A-V-O-U-R. Favor. And favorite, I-T-E. Favorite. So you must learn these spellings before writing, and then you take the dictation. First you have to learn these words. Okay? You have to read this lesson 3 times. Underline the difficult words, and if you don't have a book, the book is there on the mobile. You can just read. You can underline the difficult words, and then you do the dictation. Next word is stretching. Stretch your arms. The frog stretched its head out of the well. Stretch means stretch करना, खींचना, बाहर निकालना. Stretch. Stretch. R-E-T-C-H. Stretch. Stretching. 7th word is companion. Now what do you mean by companion? Friend. The frog wanted to be a companion with the princess. Or I have a companion. My companion is very helpful. Who is your companion? You have lot of companions in the school. Companion. Now next word is swimming. Now swimming has 2M. Swimming has 2M. Swimming.